He's such an amazing person. He's an amazing actor. I love him, yeah.
Someone is asking me, is Nikki dating?
Someone is asking me, roses are red, violets are blue. I can't rhyme, but can I date you?
Yes, you can.
No, you have to ask Sam. Sorry, guys.
Not possible for you. Not possible in this life.
What this is.
What are you doing? Removing?
Guys, look at her.
Anyone would be. Look at me, guys. मैं makeup बता रही हूँ वहाँ पर भी.
Yeah, no reason not to like.
Always been.
Gandhi, you stay at Chandan Nagar in Kolkata.
Oh, thank you, Dolly. I love you.
When she was entering Jazz question.
Cat might be having dinner or she might be
Oh
sleeping.
God, someone is asking Jari.
Look at Nikki. कहाँ गई?
Thank you, Riddhi 07.
Nikki कहाँ गई?
कितना दिखाया था. But if
Who is she? ये कौन है?
ये रेनू है.
रेनू.
निकी की बेस्ट फ्रेंड है ये शो पे.
Good. I'm so happy that happened. Yes. I manifested that shit. Someone is saying stop playing Ace of Space. यार वो जाके देख लेगी यार.
हाँ ऋषि.
तो मैं उसको थोड़ी ना दिखा रही हूँ. मत देखना तू मेरा वाला स्क्रीन मत देखना.
Arushi is promoting 2 episodes in one live.
अरे
Exactly.
Arushi Bankar, somebody saying.
Everyone is writing, not someone ना जान. Everyone is writing.
आखिर मेकअप की दुकान जो है तो मेकअप की दुकान हो तो आके buy stuff. I'm sure you can't afford it.
Janvi, where do you live in Kolkata? नहीं बता सकती. Can you shut up?
She is so cute. You and Yomesh. Arshi तो गांडू है गांडू रहेगी. ठीक है. Okay.
क्या?
Yeah,
Somebody
she's
saying
speaking
Arushi.
amazing Assamese.
Arshi तो गांडू है. How can you write that about a girl? Are you okay? So his username is _Saurav_K_Patil_. He's abusing Arshi, saying Arshi तो गांडू है. You cannot harass a girl that way online. Okay? We will make cops trace you down, and then you can write more stuff about Arshi. Then just don't ever try. Okay? Do not do that.
Period.
Yeah, man. And that shows your mental state. It's such a weak mental state. It's going to fix you, man. Try to get involved.
Your upbringing.
Yeah. It's disgusting.
Janvi, you had dinner?
Yeah, I did. So my best friend sent me pizza, garlic bread and cake. Like a large
What pizza, garlic bread and?
Cake.
Cake, wow.
Yeah, for 100K they sent me today. I didn't know. It was a surprise and that was my dinner.
How was that cake?
It was amazing. It was very good.
Who
Arushi's cake
sent?
was also so good. Sam sent
You
me
did-
2-3 दिन पहले.
नहीं,
Your
that's why
cake
I was.
so good, so good.
That
Even
you
Sam's cake
remember?
was very good.
But you remember
Is it
I
a
was
good
asking
cake?
you.
I just saw the
Caramel.
ratings and I said, ordered it from there.
You know, अब मैंने जानवी को पूछा कैरेमल कैसा होता है. मुझे लगा क्या पता भेज दो कैरेमल वाले उसको पसंद ना आए.
I
तो
love,
मैंने
पता है अर्शी मेरे को ना पूरा full chocolate नहीं पसंद. Like I don't like too much.
मुझे भी नहीं पसंद इसलिए मुझे भेजना ही नहीं
It was
था.
full chocolate, na, Jan?
नहीं, it was good यार Sam. Good.
It was good.
If you send me then तो
Well,
I like it.
So sweet. I'll come to Kolkata and I'll bring 2 bags of Rasgulla for you.
You will come to Kolkata and bring
And you
to me.
Dude,
And we'll have puchka there. And we'll have puchka.
Arshi,
Oh God, we will have puchka.
because I said that क्या बोलते हैं कि आर्शी कैसे मत बोलो. They're saying पहले तो fair खेलना सीख.
Oh God,
Why are you
इनको
reading
समझ
these
भी आता है
comments?
सिलसिला में हो क्या है.
Avoid these
इनको पता
comments.
भी है.
Na. Why are you reading these comments?
I'll bring you cake.
Leave it.
Somebody saying thank you.
That is not being fair. That is being smart, guys.
Someone is saying, guys, who are watching this live, how can you guys tolerate these guys? I mean, why the fuck are you here then?
Even you are tolerating us.
Yeah.
ओ प्यार सुट्टो प्यार लो और की करना लाइफ विच
चुप कर.
Exactly.
समझे चुप कर.
तू चाप कर
We'll teach them Dogri when both of them will come to Jammu.
चलो आ जाओ फिर जल्दी.
I need to shoot something. That's
Right
why I
now?
haven't taken off. Yeah.
What reel you're making?
One I've made, one I need to make for tomorrow.
Have you
I'm
posted?
going to watch it after this
Yeah,
for sure.
I've posted.
Okay, I can't wait to see it.
I'll watch it. I'll watch it.
चलो देखते हैं, इंस्टाग्राम पे देखते हैं.
Oh God, Arushi, कोई आरुषि से उसका लैपटॉप कंप्यूटर जो भी आरुषि, you don't deserve technology.
वापस फूट मत लगा देना guys.
Arushi, how can you message from laptop to someone?
आरुषि
You
doesn't
can.
deserve technology.
मतलब?
आरुषि
You can?
का misuse कर रही
हाँ?
है technology का.
You can, obviously you can.
She's using extra she's taking the extra advantage of the technology.
Yeah, she's misusing it. She doesn't deserve it.
अरे
बात
यार
है.
सिक्योरिटी कोड आएगा मेरे फोन पे, उसके बाद ही आएगा.
Kunal, take my name.
860
Arushi, you're not. That
Okay,
she'll love you.
Nikki. There's this friend of mine who loves you, absolutely
Okay.
adores you, and he's like, Nikki is my spirit animal, and she's so cute and all of that. Like every time you'll put up something and he'll obsess over it. His name is Vishwas. I'm gonna tell you in person also, but he loves you.
Hi
If you don't-
Vishwas, you're
Well, that's
watching.
so sweet, yeah. People like you make this world a better place. Lots of love,
There's
man.
a post now. If Splitvilla's page will post something about you, there has to be one comment from him.
That's so cute.
She's gonna reply your comment from now on.
guys.
क्या क्या कर रही है? It's okay. Oh, क्या बात है.
Oh my God!
I love leopard color, man.
So good.
Sorry,
Why you look
sorry,
so
यार,
cute?
मस्ती में.
I'm leaving this life. She's embarrassing me.
Yeah, you look so good. I'm pretty.
It's beautiful.
Very beautiful.
I love your aesthetics, Janvi. It's not just now, since the show. Since we met.
Awesome. Thank you.
It's such
I
a
loved it.
deal, bro. I love it. You look so good.
So pretty.
It's like a booster for me, whenever I watch such reels, especially Janvi, Samruddin, Kana, it just motivates me. मैं एकदम उठ के रील बनाने लगता हूँ.
Basically, this video is anxiety myths, okay? So with every outfit change, there's one myth about anxiety that's there.
Yeah,
And
there's a fact.
like, okay, anxiety is all in your head, but it's not. It's a real illness. So, वैसे करके there are 5 myths on
I
anxiety.
want to watch it अच्छे से एक बार after
Yeah,
this.
because you have to
I
read
will,
what
I will, I
she's
will.
written.
Yeah.
I
So
just
this
love
series
the
is about
concept
that.
which you infuse in your reels, यार. जैसे पहले वो जो
Thank you,
outfit के
Sam.
साथ ना हर एक contestant का नाम लिया था जानवी. I just love it, यार. How you just bring it in your, cerebral. How your cerebral activity works. Figure it out.
Creative.
Thank
It's
you,
creative.
Sam. I'm just learning, pata hai. There are so many technical flaws in my videos, and at times
So
I'm just like,
fine, bro. You're
Yeah.
doing so well.
Only you can see that,
Yeah.
but we can. For us, it's a perfect
Yeah.
product. We
but
just
I'm like,
love it.
truly, whoever is watching this live, guys, you should know I am obsessed with Komal Pandey, and I'm so inspired by her. Like
dude.
everything, all my content.
Komal
Pandey.
The one you had sent me, na? जो भेजा था तुझे.
Yeah. Everything that I post is somewhere or the other inspired by her. I love her. I'm obsessed with her.
Yeah, she's
Please
amazing.
DM her and Siddharth that if they're willing to adopt me, I'm ready.
Adopt me.
Yeah. I really want them to adopt me.
Even I love Siddharth's reels a lot, यार. उसने कुछ नया post किया है. उसमें
Oh
road
my
crash.
God, he's
Mario,
another level
Mario.
of genius.
I love it, yaar. How these people play with creativity. Nice.
I'll send some of his videos. You'll be in shock. You'll be like, oh my God,
Yeah.
wow.
Do send me, Janvi. When I'm gonna work on different concept of reels, I'm gonna try
I
that
love him. He's a genius.
with it.
Fashion
Do
genius.
send me. मुझे बेचना जरूर. See, इसके bed पे
And
इसके
we
साथ इससे
can't
ज्यादा तो
Komal
choice है
Pandey
यार. How
on
can you
Janvi's
sleep on her
recent
bed?
reel. Let's make this reel reach Komal. Oh my God, if it reaches Komal, I'll die.
Even I'm gonna message this reel to Komal.
I'll die.
Even Arushi's gonna do that. Even Nikki's gonna do that. Where's
What is that? यार क्या है वो? This thing, which what's that? Oh fuck, मैं सबका नाम
Hi
क्यों बोल रही
Nishak.
हूँ?
Hi, how are you Nishak?
कुशा कपिला का क्या है एजेंसी which he runs?
किसका?
कुशा कपिला की एजेंसी का नाम
I
क्या
know
है?
Komal. I don't know Kusha. Right.
Kusha
Kusha
works.
Sorry
नाम
guys.
नहीं याद आ रहा.
Pop EXO.
No. She has some other. I don't remember the name.
Janvi, did you make a pact with social media?
Yuvraj might be knowing.
Did you make a pact with social media?
No, I didn't.
Hi Yuvraj.
After our conversation, it didn't sit right
Yuvraj
with me.
tell now.
Thank you, C. Bieber.
cutest
Please.
Janvi. Thank you.
He
Add
will.
Guys, I don't
Cutest
use
Janvi.
Snapchat.
4 people are there ना, इसलिए नहीं कर सकते add और
Hi Ramya.
We want to talk with you guys. Myself, Trisha Sarkar. Yeah, please.
Not
I'm
an
here.
agency,
You can
like
answer
she's
it.
heading this one
Arma.
group which
Kashish.
consists
Oh, yes.
of creators and all.
We want Gary
You
and Janvi
can meet
together.
Dunia.
Gary together is love.
It's not like an
Where is
agency,
Nikki?
it's like,
App is with Nikki or
We-
free today?
oh, I don't know if
So
she's
sweet, Gudia. 1-2-1-2.
Sam
Right
is
now,
such a
Just
sweet.
saw your reel. It's
I
really
am a
good and really
secretive
motivating.
human being, guys.
Thank
Hi,
you.
DT0752.
Samadhi,
Janvi,
you went live with
Thank you.
Yuvraj. Tell me, not Idiva.
Who's
Idiva.
Yuvraj?
What?
You know
You're
Yuvraj,
asking
you guys don't know
me?
Yuvraj, what the fuck? मैं क्या बोलने वाली थी? कुछ बोल रही थी. Samadhi, you went live with Jia.
Mhm.
Who's Jia?
She's a YouTuber. You guys
I love
talk
her.
or what?
हाँ, she came on my live ना. इसी live में.
हाँ मतलब वो ऐसे random होता है. You guys
Janvi,
talk
please
also
say
on
my name
Instagram.
with the cutest soul. Hi, Jitwan.
Like hi, hello. क्यों क्या हुआ?
अरे
Who's
she had
Jia?
like
Who's
she
Jia?
really liked you ना.
Oh wow, she's really sweet, yeah. She's a sweetheart.
She's very
Janvi
sweet.
Bengali Mishti.
Fetch
Aw.
कोई नहीं fetch है.
I'm on Snapchat, but I
Janvi,
use
please
it very
come
seldom.
back.
I want to work with
I'm not active
Idiva.
on Snapchat.
If that
I'm
is
active.
Idiva.
I'm gonna be active on Twitter and I'm gonna be active on YT.
But I can't obviously.
I'm active on Insta and YouTube for now, but
Even
I'm gonna
I
be
want to
active.
join Twitter, पता है. But the
Yeah,
only
even
reason
Yeah.
I
I'm
was
joining
active on
is because
YT before
I can't
Splits.
be precise. My biggest
Even
problem
I
is
was-
if I start writing or talking now, I'll go on and on. I can't summarize shit. And in Twitter, you need to be very on point and precise.
True.
Yeah.
You know,
I used
Twitter
to
is
use-
more
I
about
really feel like Twitter
entrepreneurial
is a
thing.
great place for Trevon. Somebody with Trevon's wit and intelligence and humor, like it's a great place for Trevon.
I was
But
active
too
on
much
Twitter
of
before
social
Splits.
media. I like Twitter, but then one day I realized it's just like too much of social media for me. Like I used to
No,
check
but you
that
know,
also.
Arushi, no, Arushi. So the key here is what I have learned is like TikTok. जैसे इंडिया में ban हो गया. Everybody shifted to Instagram. So you need to have your base in 2-3 different platforms. So even if
True.
tomorrow, if there's some due to geopolitical issue or something, there's India is at loggerheads with some country and some app goes some app is not allowed. Your career will come at a standstill if you don't have
Well
a
said,
base
well
in
said.
different platforms.
But Twitter पे तो वैसे भी it's all about the information. Twitter पे you cannot you
Twitter
cannot build
is a gold
content
mine
there.
for No. What are you saying? Twitter is a gold mine
All
for intellectuals.
Entrepreneurs, corporate sector people are on Twitter.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's mostly for them
very
only.
good. Yeah,
But
it's
like
very
people
I love
who
Twitter,
want to
muscles. It's very
I
good
get
for
lot many
brain
ideas
muscles.
from Twitter only for my
Yeah.
videos and all that stuff. Twitter is very
I also go through so
it's a
many
good
tweets
platform
and
if you're
it's
looking
just
for
like-
some nice ideas.
It's
Yeah.
really
I
good
used to
brain
like use
exercise.
Twitter last year a lot, but then I was like, नहीं यार
Even I'm
बहुत
planning to be active on Twitter from tomorrow, yeah.
I
After
think the
Trivon,
key to using social media is following the right kind of account. That's
True,
really
true.
important.
that's
I
well
don't
said,
like.
yeah.
I put any annoying, crappy content maker on mute. I'm like, I don't want to like.
Nikki's
I don't
not here,
want
yeah?
to-
Nikki's
My
writing-
Twitter account, I only follow Twitter पे only
Follow
the
Ranveer. Follow Ranveer Beer Bicep.
Ranveer Alabad,
नहीं
yeah.
नहीं my Twitter account was mostly for like news, political stuff,
But
like
Janvi, I love
nothing
Ranveer, man.
related
His
to
content is brilliant.
entertainment
I
and
am
all.
obsessed with him. You know Ranveer is
Sorry,
the one
guys.
who inspired me to get into spirituality.
I was just taking my makeup off.
You look
okay.
good.
You look so
Thanks.
beautiful.
I just
Wow.
couldn't
Fresh.
breathe.
It's
Without
even
makeup, you
Your
just
beauty
like
is enhanced
beautiful.
even more. See guys, that's what happens if you apply makeup, your beauty is gonna enhance even more.
I look sad.
You look
I look sad, guys.
sad.
मेरी स्किन ज्यादा खराब नहीं हुई अभी.
Have you removed the filter, right?
I have no filter on.
You're
So
glowing
your
like
skin,
a chan.
yeah, your skin looks too good.
You're glowing like a
Thanks,
chan.
Buddy. You didn't get me the moon, so it's fine. I'll just be happy.
We'll
Glowing.
together go to the moon. Don't worry. We'll
Guys, ये मेरा
I-
favorite filter है. See ना.
It's good when you have
all
good
four
pictures.
of us will hire Elon Musk.
Janvi, come back to Splitsvilla.
Don't worry, if she won't come back,
Guys,
I'll go
don't
to
mind
Splitsvilla.
me.
औकात है
going to
तो
try
निखिल
all the
मलक को
filters.
ऐड
Oh
करो.
my
औकात
god, Nikki, somebody
की क्या बात
said
है?
Desi Kylie, Nikki. I so agree. I think she's better than
अरे
Kylie.
haven't you seen her? Stop it! Janvi doesn't know.
Oh my god,
Kylie
she
Jenner
is.
is gonna be here very soon.
Yeah.
Nikki,
Yeah, guys, I never said I want to be Kylie Jenner. I said I want to be India's answer to Kylie Jenner, meaning I want to be as successful as her when it comes
Yeah,
to her business.
exactly.
Is what I meant.
Yeah, so why were you like stopping me to
There's
say
no need to
that?
bring
Because
someone
the way
else's
you would say it,
self
even
thing.
I knew the way you would say it in.
Should I show?
I
Guys,
will
how
do
am I
it.
looking? See?
Wow.
Nikki's so cute, I
cartoon.
agree.
Cute cartoon.
Janvi most beautiful. Thank you guys. But ऐसे कुछ
Yeah.
most more नहीं होता, सब beautiful.
Janvi
Anthony
is
Thakuri,
beautiful.
07. Thank you.
So guys, this is a filter जिसमें मेरे
What
dark circles हैं. See now guys,
Oh my
this
god,
filter
what
adds dark
filter is
circles.
this?
Send me this filter. I
Why
want to
is
put
there a
dark
filter like that?
It's cute, no? I don't know. I'm like dark
Nikki
circles
go
are kind
boxing
of
back.
cute.
Nikki is into MMA na,
Janvi,
so
you
Nikki has
also
got a
look
punch.
cutie pie.
Someone is saying
Rasgulla.
Nikita Churel. Thanks.
यार don't read it यार. Nikki क्यों पढ़ती है तो ये सारे
अब
comment?
चिपटा भी नहीं लग रहा है अभी क्या क्या सब कुछ तो बोल लिया. Ew.
I love you too, Vasundhara. Thank you.
Ew.
Ew.
Oi,
I
I
love the
love
way
you
she
too.
says. Ew.
Do you love the way she says you in the next episode?
Stop it.
Guys, मेरे comments रुक गए.
Oh god, I cannot wait to see it, dude.
मत कर.
Oh my god.
Janvi gonna like LOL.
I'm gonna flip, dude. I'm gonna flip. मुझे देखना है सबने क्या pick-up lines लिखे हैं.
अरे जानवी फिर तो मुझे खुद कॉल करके पर्सनली बताना, ठीक है, कि तुझे लगता है कि मेरा रिएक्शन सही था
Take
कि
me
नहीं.
conference, Jan. ठीक है, take me conference.
नहीं, उसको मत डालना, पहले मुझे बताना चुपके से, फिर उसको जाके बता देना कि हाँ ठीक था. It's fine.
Yeah. I want to see सब
Very
लड़कों
loyal
क्या
and honest
pick-up
to
lines
me.
use
She's
कर
not
रहे हैं.
gonna do that. क्या?
मुझे सबका देखना है कि किसने क्या pick-up line use करा है.
You will have
Arshi
Shivam
play Candy
pick up line.
Crush.
Really?
Lives खत्म हो गई हैं.
Guys, actually I have to go. मैं जा रही हूँ.
Yeah,
Even I
I'm
have
gonna
to
book
go.
it now.
Yeah,
Guys, we'll
same.
catch you very soon. Love
कल
you.
जल्दी
Love you.
उठना है.
Lots of love to you all.
Bye.
And sleep
Sam,
well.
Love
I
you
forgot.
guys.
Take care of yourself. Bye, Nikki.
Love
Love you. Bye, Jan.
Bye,
Love
love
you.
you,
Bye,
Bye,
Arshi. Love you.
Shami. Bye, Arshi.
Bye.
Love
Bye, Janvi. Bye, Arshi.
Bye.
Acha, I forgot something.
Yes, tell me.
Which you like told me to do in the morning.
What?
Arshi.
Oh, okay. कल कर लेना फिर मुझे बताना.
Arshi. Call me and tell me about.
Okay, ठीक है.
Bye,
Sam.
Nikki.
Love you.
Love you. Bye, bye.
See you. Sleep
Bye, guys.
now. I'll call you कल.
Perfect. You sleeping? I'm gonna have
No,
dinner.
I have to. मुझे अपने कोई कपड़े रेडी करने. मेरा कल कोई शूट है यार.
Wow. Nikki is too
Chalo,
busy.
great shoot. Bye bye and sleep on time. Alright.
Love you. I'll call you tomorrow. I have to send you a video. मैं edit करके भेजूंगी. ठीक है? देखना.
Yeah. Take your time.
Bye.
Take your time.
You'll
आराम से.
choose. You'll choose.
I'll choose.
Okay. Bye. Love you.
Perfect. Love you. Bye bye.
Good night,
Arshi, call me.
guys.
Bye. Good night.
Okay, bye.
Arushi, तू कल बात
Good
करके
night.
मुझे बताना, okay?
हाँ ठीक है. Bye.
Bye.
Love you.
Bye, guys.
Bye,
Bye,
Sam.
guys. Bye, Megha. Bye, guys.